Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to export single or specific page or post in WordPress. So we are in export section now you see, but in this section we select pages, but this functionality allow to export all pages, but we want to export one page or two page or selected or specific page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin, write export single post page. So we are going to use this plugin. Now you see export single post page. So click on install now. So by using this plugin, we are going to export single selected or specific page or post. Now click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see pages, so click on it. So we are in pages section. Now you see when we hover on it, now you see export, so click on export. So by using this we are going to export page in XML format. Now you see, so click on save and then you see download done. So in this way you can export single page or post by using plugin. So you can export multiple pages or specific page or post, so it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.